All right, welcome to Auto. So we got the day four on this beautiful 350. So the motor code is L31. They came up from this beautiful 2000 Cadillac Escalade. So this 350 was the earliest motor, used to be in a couple of more SUVs, a couple of Chevrolets pickups or Savannah vans, kind of those cargo vans. So this motor we rebuilt from top to bottom. So what we rebuilt in this one was we changed the crank, we put the new pan, the old was rotated, and we put the new timing chain in the front, and we put the new cam, and we resurfaced the head and the brand new wall covers with the new gaskets, and also the oil separator on top is new, and the filter housing is new on this, and the manifolds are kind of new. We got it aftermarket, like 2 years old ones. This came in from a Chevy truck. I don't know what truck it is, but we got this in a good condition. So we replaced with the previous ones. The older one was always rotated. So now we're going to put it back and wrap it up. Soon it's going to be on the road, and the owner going to be happy because he was expecting the way it looks. So he's going to be real happy, and we'll try to put the expression of the owner when this finally see the truck up and running. Let's go to the next car. So here we got this beautiful 2012 CLS 550. That's a rare car. You're not going to see 550s more on the road, CLS ones. This is one of the best. So it came up with the abnormal height because that's the air ride car. And the customer, they just told us like on the back of the right suspension, that's lifted up. So the car is sitting like this. So in order to fix this, we need to change the valves body on this one, which is the expensive part on any of the Mercedes or BMW. If your car is an air ride, we work on those. Feel free to give us a call. We'll fix your air ride car. Any issues, whether it's a height issue or a airbag issue or a strut issue, anything. So yeah, so order the part from Mercedes. It's gonna be here any minute, and we have to deliver it today. So we're going to install the wall body on this one and putting back on the road to the customer. Alrighty, so it's not just the realistic cars. We also detail the Lego cars too. So if your kids do have the Lego cars, you can bring it in. We just got a customer's car. It's a GTR Skyline, I think, and it's 2000 model. And we just detailed from the top. It comes with the NOS inside, if you can see here. And we're going to put the roof back because it's a convertible. So if you want, you can drive it as a convertible car, and it's packed up with this shifting spoiler. So when you drive fast, the spoiler goes like this. So when it slow down, it goes like bottom. Same like a Porsche. So that's the first one we did it, and the next one we have this garbage truck. It's a recycle truck actually, and this is the first truck I ever see in the Lego having a steering wheel on top here. So literally any of the kids can drive it easy and just roll it the way they want to. See this? So this is gonna be ready by end of the day, and the customer is gonna be pick it up by the end of the day. So if you guys do have any of the Legos, you can feel free to hit us up. We'll clean your Lego cars too. So we fix it on a halfway on this air ride Mercedes, and we are going to make a test drive. Before we're going to make a test drive, we already put in our system with the equal height on all four axles. As you can see on this, everything is green right now, so it attached to the ride height system. So when I see on that all the axle, it shows the equal measurements. So when it's equal, it says 100% right here. So no codes. Let's see, we're gonna make a test drive, and that test drive gonna let us know whether it's okay or not. So we got into this crazy downtown. It's Tuesday after a long weekend, so the traffic is on the road right now. It was all free roads last week because all of the parents, they are on vacation with the kids, as last week was the last week on vacation for the kids' school. So today is kind of a busy day. People are not really accepting to back on the work. So let's see how it goes. And we are here for a test drive. And also this car was a little rattling from the front. We fixed that bottom cover and let's see how it goes. It's pretty fast. It's V8 550. So this engine is not a joke. If you tune it, which is not legal for the road, just for the off-roading purpose, this thing sounds so crazy. Even not without even like the stock sound. You see the rumble sound? Hear it. It sounds real crazy, honestly. And this car used to have a stands on it, and the customer, he got a good deal. He was away from the city. He told me like got another Mercedes wheels, which is right now on this car. He got it for $1,000, but to be very honest, the older one was real crazy wheels. I'll see if I can buy it off from the customer, because whenever I'm gonna buy a Mercedes like this, I will put it on that same wheels, because you're not gonna find those. They are super crazy. So if he is willing to sell that, I will buy those wheels, the one previously on this car, perfect wheels. And the tires, yes, on those wheels the tire was almost gone, weighed out. So probably I need a new tires if I bought those wheels. And I will put it on Mercedes when I get one. I used to have Mercedes ML 63, but right now I don't have any Mercedes. I only have BMW. So whenever I got Mercedes, I will put those wheels, but for sure I will ask for the previous wheels on this car if it's on sale. So the test drive is done. So we got this beautiful Chevy Bolt. It's a 2017. It's one of the first coming plug-in hybrid for a Chevy. So this came in with some wiring issues. So when the customer drives it, it got multiple codes on it with an engine light, ABS light, and a couple more. So when we check it out, the wires were chewed up by mice, wild creatures. So we are going to fix it, and we put it on charge right now. So this is kind of electric car, if you guys don't know. So we do have the electric plug here. So any Teslas or any electric car, we can fix it. And we have the plug here to charge it for the overnight or the time of drop off. So that is the thing we're gonna fix it on this car. On the other hand, we got this beautiful 2018. It's a Escape SE model. So all four tires on this thing was weighed out from inside. When we check it out, the suspension on everything was real bad. So what we're doing right now, we replaced the rear already. So this is the brand new suspension on this one. And the front two, we're going to replace all four, because all four tires was weighed out from inside rubber, and the customers were complaining what's happening with it. When they check out with the alignment, that was the problem. So right now, If you feel like your car is wearing something from inside both of the tires, most likely it goes with the suspension thing. So this thing has to be changed with all four suspension, with all four tires. So the tires, they are on the way. We're going to change it. Suspension, we already installed halfway here, and we're going to finish it up by tomorrow morning. So if you guys do have any of these kind of things in your car, hit us up. We'll help you out. And thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.